The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 9th of July. Once again today, we'll have showers and thunderstorms around, especially this afternoon and early tonight. And pretty classic summer weather setting up for the weekend. And still watching Tropical Storm Elsa over the northeast United States this morning. There's the upper air look across the United States today. Got another big upper high building out in the western states where they are very hot and they are very dry. And downstream, there's a trough over the eastern United States, pushing Elsa away. That was the radar this morning, about 5 o'clock. Had a few showers in progress over the southern counties of the state, basically along and south of US 84. The northern counties dry at daybreak. Temperatures are in the 70s, low to mid-70s. We're expecting highs in the mid to upper 80s in most spots today, which is below average for this time of the year. There's the watch warning map, flash flood watches, and tropical storm warnings in effect for the Northeast U.S. because of Elsa. And out west, we have excessive heat warnings under the big upper high. Have an enhanced risk of severe storms today for parts of the Midwest, including St. Louis. A marginal risk up the Atlantic seaboard because of Elsa. Tomorrow, chance of severe storms just north and west of the state from Oklahoma up into parts of Tennessee and Kentucky. And day 3, which is Sunday, marginal risk again just north and west of Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The bigger values out across the Midwest. Down here, the greater rain amounts will likely be around Florence and the Shoals. They could see rain amounts of about 2.5 inches, about 1.5 inch for Huntsville, and 1 inch or less for the southern two-thirds of the state through Friday morning of next week. So Elsa producing a nasty morning for New York City and Long Island. Lots of wind and rain there. Chance of isolated tornadoes. The system moving pretty rapidly northeast. That'll be up in the Canadian Maritimes tomorrow. And then up in the Atlantic is a post-tropical system. And the good news, once Elsa gets out of here, the rest of the Atlantic basin very, very quiet. So model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Got the big 597 upper high out west where they are sizzling, troughing north of here. And a moist air mass, and we'll see scattered showers and storms around statewide this afternoon. Highs mid to upper 80s with some sun at times. Tomorrow, showers probably becoming fewer in number, partially sunny, maybe a few pop-up storms in the afternoon, but they'll be pretty scattered. Highs 85 to 89, and the same thing on Sunday. The odds of any one spot getting wet tomorrow and Sunday about 3 in 10 during the peak of the daytime heating process. And then a trough comes in here Monday. Showers and storms should be more numerous. Highs in the low to mid 80s with a mostly cloudy sky. And then Tuesday and the rest of the week, old classic summertime weather. There's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, warm, humid, a few scattered storms around. A week from today, Friday, July 16th, ridging nosing in from the Atlantic. And again, muggy conditions, partially sunny with a chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening thunderstorms. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 18th of July. Main westerlies up north. Again, broad ridging here across the south. And again, maybe a few pop-up storms about. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble for the next 15 days. The amount's about 3 inches there on the mean. Temperatures mostly mid to upper 80s, maybe touching 90 on a couple of days. Early morning lows around 70, and those numbers are below average. And the CPC outlook, this is for July 16th through the 22nd. If this works out here, temperature should be very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes.
To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.